today we're making
400 likes, thumbs up or thumbs up if you like this video.
and make sure you comment down below. Okay, let's get started.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who gets
To pick.
to pick first. Okay, let's see. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I want the blue glitter.
Okay. I like the red.
Okay, just wanted to make
'Cause
sure that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
So I have it.
Okay, this is really cool.
I'll get that.
It's okay. This is coming out better than the last slime video.
Yeah.
Easier to get the glue out.
I'll be right back. To get this one.
Okay, she's getting the glue top sheet.
I'm back. Mine's actually turning out really good.
She thinks it makes pretty sounds.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, my glue's almost gone.
You saw it.
There's a lot of it. I didn't know there would be so much.
Yeah.
In one glue bottle.
And this is like 2 glue bottles, but it's 1. I'm kind of blessed.
Yeah, okay. My hand kind of hurts from squeezing.
My hand's tired and it's going now. But I had my do this. Oh, there we go.
Okay, almost done.
Oh, I'm almost done.
Okay, well, almost done with the glue.
Now, top.
Okay, I'm only going to use half of the accelerator. Let's see. Think that's half.
Okay, use half.
Okay, I'm going to stir it now. Okay, this is working better than last time. This is really working. Hey, it's already sticking together.
This is half.
Guys, I don't think it's going to fall on my legs like last time because
And if you want that video,
we used the glitter slime pack. It's new. Yeah, so it's really working.
and the white glue's like
Comes with 2 accelerator bottles, I think, and 2 glittery glitter glues if you pick that. There's also color glue if you want that instead, and it still comes with 2 accelerators. There's a glow in the dark pack, and it comes with 2 accelerators too, and 2 squirt things of glow in the dark. We got it at Target in Franklin, Tennessee, or Nashville, Tennessee. Yeah.
If you're not so
We live in Franklin, but Franklin's kind of a small part of it, so we just
yeah.
should say Nashville.
People in not so other states maybe say Nashville, Tennessee.
Okay.
There, look.
It's getting kind of hard to stir, but I'm still gonna wait a second.
Wait, is this all we do that we play with?
We do. Did you do all your accelerator?
No.
Okay, good. Once it gets kind of hard to stir, you pour more, but that's not till later. Gotta keep stirring. You know, I still kind of see glue. But
Let's get into see blue.
kind of gonna add more. See if there's anything left.
Maybe 2.
Okay, it's coming out here.
There's more.
Yeah, there's a lot more.
Look inside.
Yeah. You gotta get that out.
I can't. It's so hard. There we go. I'm getting it. It's coming out. There it is. There we go. It's hard to do. There we go. So second time doing it by ourselves without our mom.
Or dad or anything like that.
Yeah.
She taught us how to do it before.
Yeah.
We don't have a napkin.
That's okay. We can be careful.
Okay.
Oh, this is getting good.
Yep. best slime, comment down below. Her name is Tatum. She spells it Tatum, so you know how to spell it if you want to choose her. And my name's Lottie. You want to spell it Lottie. That's good.
And you can tell us.
Or you could just type L or T.
Yeah.
We'll know.
Sure. Then.
We'll know what that means.
Yeah.
My slime kind of smells like the nail place. Sort of.
Mine too. Smells like polish. That's
Probably
really
the
nice.
accelerator.
Yeah. I just know it's so.
Mine didn't turn out last video, so hopefully it's gonna turn out this one.
Because you put like another, like it was purple, but then put
I
another-
added too much glitter, too much contact solution.
And she added another color, like blue in it, and kind of make gray. So
It was pink, blue, and purple.
too much everything.
Okay, you need to stir yours a lot, Tam.
Okay.
They're not like
Okay.
you actually do that. It's getting sticky and kind of hard to stir.
Mine too.
Okay. I think I'm almost ready to add another thing of the soap.
Another half.
I think I added not half. I don't know. I think I had a little bit more. Yeah.
And besides, this is the unicorn spot that is the heading. It's just
My hair again. It's already starting to be bad.
oh, it's getting dry.
Will you get me a paper towel? I forgot. Or get me like a paper towel or yeah.
She needs one.
It's in the middle drawer.
Yeah.
Yep. Like that.
Your fun idea.
Stuff.
Now I put all that green glitter on.
Oh, it spilled all over my legs one time.
And all of the towel green glitter. There's a lot of green glitter, but then
It spilled everywhere.
yeah, but they'll still.
I took a bath right after. I was like, oh, no.
Me too.
No, you didn't.
I took a bath.
No, you said no, I don't want to.
Then I did.
Oh, right.
And I remember we washed all
No,
the
maybe.
clothes. That sounds fun. Okay.
You, hold on. Add a little bit more accelerator. Not all of it, just a tiny. I'm going to use a tiny bit because I might be ready.
Okay, that's time.
There. Just see if it helps.
My hair is getting so.
Yeah, hers is really good.
Yeah.
It's
Alright,
sticking.
keep it up so long before I like wait my hair.
It's not ready to play with at all. though.
It's strong.
Sticking together though. I'm glad it's summer. We're going to Knoxville, Tennessee tomorrow. We're gonna go see our cousins and yeah. They're
And this-
amazing cousins.
Tomorrow we're going. Oh, today.
Yeah, today we're going to our friend's house to watch fireworks for the 4th of July.
And go to some other friends.
And then we're going to our other friend's house. She has a pool. Celebrate at 6 o'clock.
And it'll be fun. I think you do holes. The pole parties.
Uh-huh. We do. Fireworks, we're going to stay up really late, so hopefully,
Because we'll watch fireworks.
yeah. There's a lot of slime videos.
This
on
looks like a
YouTube.
volcano when they put it out.
If you ever need tips of how to make slime, there's other really good
Fire
ones
up.
out there.
This looks like volcano.
No, it does.
Because it's lead.
Looks like I froze it. Freezing.
Yeah, it looks like I heated it. Audie, does this look good? It feels cold.
I think you should stir it a little more. I added a little bit more accelerator.
Me too.
It's helping.
There. It helped a lot.
I think there's a little bit more slime.
This is really good. white glue.
Like what?
White glue.
Because she thought we would need it.
We might need it.
We're not. She said. Well, it's working. She's really a big talker, but she's kind of quiet now. So yeah, I guess it's just me and you guys. Yeah. So this is working, and yeah. So that's just me and you.
Mom's slimy.
So she's back now.
What have you been talking about?
You. Basically.
All
Oh, this
me?
is really turning out good.
All me?
Well, mostly me and those people
Mostly
watching.
me.
No, I was talking about me.
Comment down below if she's actually talking about me.
No, you don't. Don't comment down below.
Okay, don't comment.
Unless you want to. You're just like, I want to comment down below. Or anything. You can write anything down below. Give us tips on the next slime we make, which is in a while.
A long time because it gets messy.
Yeah, I used all my accelerator. Because
You
I
did?
thought it was getting hard. You can use all yours. Okay, it's ready. Wait, let me try to start.
No, it's not.
I'm going to tell you. You might want to keep stirring. Or put a little bit more accelerator in the
I
middle.
only have this much.
Okay, put it in the middle. That's where it needs to stick.
All of it?
Yeah.
All of it.
Okay, stir. I think mine's turning out. Oh, this is really going to be good.
This is it. Wait, good.
I know. It's only been 12 minutes. Wow. I'm looking at the camera. Times. Yeah, yours is really good. Mine's kind of. Yay. I think ours turns out this time.
Yeah.
We did 4th of July slime because the glitter's kind of like the white, so we're like, we might as well just make 4th of July slime.
We got it out.
It's just you and me again until she comes back, which it's over.
There's a little more. There's more glue.
Darn.
You just like where it is, you push it and then it goes down. Do you want me to do it?
Sure. Yeah, see it.
Scoot it a little closer.
Ooh, this is really good.
Okay.
I didn't know it would stick. Stick, stink, stunk. The Grinch would say. We haven't looked at our comments yet. Happy 4th of July, guys. Whenever, or tomorrow. You know.
But we pretend it's today.
Because we're making 4th of July slime. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Add some more
Oh,
glue
this
from-
is getting cold.
Ooh. Do you guys like slime? Do you guys like getting messy? Do you guys like do you guys like watching videos of slime? Comment down below if you want to answer those questions.
And comment down below if you like stressing it out.
No, Tatum, that's
Okay.
too much comment down below. And they probably, if they like slime, they like stretching it.
Okay.
So, you don't have to do what she said. You keep saying comment down below to do stuff. I just keep getting ideas. Okay. It's almost ready for me to play with, I think.
Me too.
No, you still have a while. So you added your accelerator a little bit while ago.
It's getting cold.
It's only been 18 minutes. Our last one was 32 minutes. I'm trying to cut time off.
Oh,
here.
maybe 41.
No, it's like 31, 36. Hope you guys like this video whenever this always look up to the people who do YouTube. So we're like, you know, we should do YouTube. We should get ready and mine's almost ready, guys. Need a little bit more string just in case. Okay. Tim, you need to talk more.
Okay. This is getting worse. Okay. Dance, storming, and storm.
No, sit on your seat and do that.
I still want to do my boogies. That's funny.
Right.
That looks like water. I can make it.
Here, let me feel. Yours might need a little bit more. Probably like 2 more minutes of yours.
How much more minutes yours?
Probably 1 or 2. Okay, maybe sooner. I'm actually gonna try to get it out. No, I don't think I actually.
This is hard.
Just putting it in my hand, I found that it's gonna get messy, and I really want to try.
I think this is our first time doing 4th of July song.
It is. Unless we did red or blue. It's really counts if it for 4th of July slime if you do it on 4th of July or the day before 4th of July or the day right after.
And we'll maybe play with this. If I want this. And she might go. This is getting
Woo! It
hard to
sticks.
store. I can't store anymore. Look.
Oh, it sticks to my hands.
There.
Darn. Gonna let it fall.
This one's not sticking in my hands.
Tatum, don't get it messy in my hair or else I'm gonna do it to you. And I don't think she wants that.
I do not, so you're right. Get the towel.
No, I need it. You can use it after me. Don't understand.
I thought it was on pink.
Can you tell me about 4th of July headbands?
Yeah. They're flowers, but 4th of July colors, like red.
Oh, this towel's sticking to me. I think it needs to stir for a while. Tatum set it down, it's gonna get so messy. Why is yours always the one who doesn't get messy? Trying to start like eggs. Now it's just like this glob of slime. Yeah. Tim, you need to talk more. You barely talked. I'm the one talking.
Okay. This is very cool. It's like a volcano in the air where I'm holding and playing. Oh, this looks very glittery, like confetti.
Okay, I think it's almost ready. Here, give me your glue. I'm gonna add more. Yeah. So, happy 4th of July, and yeah. I'm gonna get it out and play with it.
Me too. Think it's ready because I can't hold it anymore. me, but
Put it on the table.
on the table. Not.
Please fall from my hands. Yeah.
Can we make another one of those? Like all little.
I'm really excited to
Oh, my
see who won the challenge.
Yeah. I hope you do, Lottie.
I hope you do.
I said I hope you do, Lottie. Then you said I hope. I hope you do too.
So we'll see you guys later.